Hey, what's going on Instagram and YouTube? It's Mike once again, and I did the simple wheel swap for a friend named Chris. You can follow him on Instagram at Collecting for Ben. Did a simple wheel swap. As you can see, thing rolls beautifully, and I did some details. I went the extra mile. He didn't ask for it, but I did it anyways to make it look really nice. So that's that. You get the wires and radiator and the directionals. And I also button it down professionally. And that's that. Hope you guys like it. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Please follow if you haven't already. That would be great. Alright guys, as always, take care. And God bless.